Priority ERP is a smart business platform that enables thousands of organizations to grow and manage their business more efficiently, with real-time access to data and insights in an open and flexible system. Priority offers a wide variety of modules. Financials. Way beyond standard bookkeeping, Priority enables budget management and profit centers. Sales. Handle price quotes, complex pricing structures, special offers, and sales orders. Purchasing. Controls purchase requests and orders, vendor price lists, MRP, and procurement planning. Inventory. Monitor unlimited item specs, stock, and warehouses. Production management. Factory modeling, work order management, raw material issuing, production reporting, subcontractors, and finished goods. Additional modules include project management, customer service, WMS, quality control, and lots more. Priority is super intuitive. The homepage is made up of tiles, shortcuts to favorite screens, actions, and tasks that you can personalize. All Priority screens display general info at the top and sublevels showing more details. You can personalize screens or change field names. Priority search bar scans fields and attachments. It's easy to find a price quote even from a word or phrase in the attachment. Save your search, print it, and even send it to an Excel. There are hundreds of pre-built reports inside the system. Create your own reports using easy drag and drop. With BI and Executive Reports part of your ERP, you get a high-level picture and can drill down to individual transactions. Business Process Management, where system admins can define and illustrate work processes by creating different steps and their possible transitions. Define automatic actions. Here, Priority automatically sends a confirmation to the customer when a sales order status changes to confirmed, or notifies the sales manager every time a price quote with more than a 15% discount is issued. Priority offers a unique mobile application generator to build customized apps in just minutes without a single line of code. An app for salespeople, an app to generate price quotes, or an app to handle service tickets. Priority ERP is flexible and open. That's why it's equipped with a rich software development kit and open APIs for easy integration with any external software or device. We thrive on innovation, delivering the tools and functionality to meet your needs. Our mission is to give you a smart business platform. This is Priority Software.